You are welcome back to Elyon Educational Consult. So we'll be drawing the plan now. So we are going to be dividing this circle into 12 equal parts. So I'm going to do that very quickly now. The radius of the circle, the radius with which we use in drawing that circle. So I'll place at the 4 point there, strike an arc both up and down. Then I'll place here, strike an arc that way, both sides now. Then at this point now, I will strike an arc. Then finally at this point now, I will strike an arc. So I'm going to be connecting this point to this point, passing through the center. Then we have that. Pass through the center, connecting like that. Okay, sorry, we left out a point, so we didn't do this side. We're supposed to we strike this arc, then we'll do this side as well. Alright, so if you want to get more on the division of circumference of a circle, so you can visit my video. I've made video on that, on how to divide the circle into 8 equal parts, 12 equal parts using compass or set square method. So we are going to be numbering this circle like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So the next thing we are going to do quickly, we'll bring in our set square. So we notice that if you are to draw this line, okay, you draw a line from 8 to 10, so you can just pick it from this 10, so that to avoid too many lines, so you go over to this part, you draw 11 to this part. Of course they are straight here. If you draw a line, it's going to be meeting 7. So I'm doing that to avoid too many lines clustering into the circle here. So you can see 6 and 12 is already there, passing through, touching the base of the triangle, meeting at the apex. We are still coming to that. So the next thing, move it this way. Okay, so we're going to draw our line as well, meeting the base of the triangle. Move it this way, then draw, meeting the base. Then finally 3 is there. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is, you can see where the line touches the base. You can see for this side now, where it touches the base of the cone, a slant line is drawn, which is the part of the slant side of the triangle. So we'll do the same here. So at this point, we just connect this point together. So we have this, so this is already there. So we have this, then you go next, you have this. So you can see that. So we are now going to be taking note of this point. You can see where this first one here, the slant side of the cone or triangle, where it touches the truncated part. I hope you can see that. Okay, next one, this part, the next point, this part, this one is already there, the line is already there. So this one also, that is the point. So I hope you can see it. This is the point, so where it touches the truncated part. So what do we do? From each of the points there, we are going to project a vertical line down, So how do we do that? Just very simple. So just make sure your line is perpendicular. By you always make use of your set square. So here now, so from this part here now, if I should draw the line down that way, ensure your lines are thin, then shift it again to the next one. So that is the next one here. Draw the line down, just draw the line down, don't worry. So move it again, go to the next one. So draw the line down, then the middle one is already there like I said earlier. Then shift as you are looking at two places at the same time. Make sure you are looking at this part and this part here. Make sure it is touching it. So you have this one down, then come this way, down. Then is that the no, that is not the final one, we have one more. So we quickly do that now. So we draw that down as well. So having drawn those lines, like you can see, we are going to be doing something interesting now. So just take a look at it. So you can see this line for the first one that is coming from the point of truncation. Just trace it down, trace it down, trace it down, trace it down until you get to this part. So that is the first point. That's my first point. Then go to the second one. Where's the second one? So this is the second one. Trace it down like that. Okay, this is the second one. The line is not that visible. I was wondering myself. So we have to, this is the line here. So I'll just make sure it's visible but tiny, but thin. Then you can see. Go that way. So it's going to be forming at this point here where it's meeting the next line here, this line, and down, go down again. So where it's meeting this. I hope you can see that. I hope you can get those points. Hope you can get those points. Please let me know in the comment section so you get this point like this. So the next thing, then this point here, that is the third line. Trace it down. So the next line is this one, which is 11. The 11 and then 7 line, you can see that the 11 and 7 line. So the middle one is of no, there's no need to draw that. Then next one, you go this way, you can see where it's touching this, the 1 and 6 lines. So you go this way. So I hope you can see it. The next one, this one, come this way. You can see that it's very interesting if you can get those points. So next one now, the final one now we go, so which we meet at this part here. Okay, so we are going to be connecting all of these points together. Going to be connecting them together, but I will want to advise that before we connect them, let's take a look at the point. Each of these points, we are going to draw a horizontal line out of the circle. I will let you know the reason for that as we progress later. So we're going to be, like I said, drawing out the lines. So we place this way, ensure that they are perpendicular. So from here now, just draw your straight line like that. Okay, draw that out. Then that is the next point. I said from each of the points, just draw that. The next point is this. Next point is this. Next point is this. You see, if I join those points with my French curve, it's going to be difficult for me to be able to locate the point. So it's not as if it's wrong for you to draw the point first. So then that is the middle one, that is the middle one. So we go to the next one. See the point, that's the next point. Okay, next point. So then one more final point, which is very close to this. All right, so we have one more point here. You can see the point. So I'm going to be drawing that point as well. Okay, so then I can join this curve together now. I'm going to introduce my my French curve now. French curve. So I'm draw that out. Tick. Yeah. We bring in, look for perfect curve from our French curve. Okay. Okay, this is how the plan will look like. So this is our plan. So the next thing from the question we are told to draw is the true shape. So I'm going to be doing that now in another video. Thank you.